Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to install Laravel Valet. I have a brand new laptop over here, so I need to install everything. So I'm taking you along with me on the journey of installing Laravel Valet. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up Safari and look up Laravel Valet. Laravel Valet is actually a code environment for minimalists, so you don't have the GUI of MAMP or WAMP or such kind of things. It is something that runs in the background. You can use it for, of course, Laravel, but also Lumen, WordPress, October CMS, Drupalcraft, and many more. I have already installed Laravel itself. I have installed Composer, Homebrew, and PHP on my machine. So these first steps I'm not going to execute, but you should first install Homebrew and install the latest version of PHP using Brew and install Composer. Very important that you have the Composer vendor that you have the Composer vendor bin directory in your system's path. I'm just going to show you how it is on my machine. So I do ls-min al. I have the .bash rc. So I'm just going to cat.bash rc. There we go. And I have export path vendor of Composer with bin inside of it. If you don't have it in here, make sure you do. It will make your life a lot easier to run anything in the future. So we're going to install Valet. So we're going to hit Composer global require. This will require globally on your machine, so it means everywhere on your environment. Laravel Valet. So we're basically telling Composer to install it globally on your machine. This could take a little while. And there you have it. So it loaded all from cache because, yeah, I have tried this before, of course. And now we can use Valet. I need the map password. As you can see, we can now use, I'm just going to blow this up. As you can see, we can now use Valet globally. So we're going to navigate to the documents. Yeah, just documents, and I don't have anything here except Adobe. So I'm going to make a directory. I'm going to name it Valet server. And I'm going to cd into that directory. So there's nothing in here yet, but we're going to tell Valet that we want this directory as a working directory for Valet. So as you follow along in this tutorial, we can let me see the park command. So it basically tells Valet that every site in this directory will be accessible through the Valet engine. So we're going to tell Valet to park, and this directory has been added to Valet's paths. All right, cool. So now we're going to Laravel test project. Of course, new test project. So this installed a brand new Laravel project for us in this directory. So if we now navigate to http test project.test. So there it is. We have a working Laravel application served to us with Laravel Valet. We can do several things extra with it. We can secure it. We can share it using ngrok widgets. So easy, and yeah, everyone should use this. It's really awesome. So yeah, I think that's all for me today. Have at it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.